Hello everyone, and today we'll be seeing one of the problem from Geeks for Geeks. It says implement, undo and redo. And the problem goes like, we are given a text document that is initially empty. You need to complete these following functions: append, undo, redo and read. So with this structure in mind, it seems like it's not a regular DSA algo problem, but it's a designing level problem where you have to keep in mind few things and you have to design your system like append, which would cater to rest all other functions as well. Now, what does it say? Append. Append means append the character X to the end of a document. Makes sense? Undo, self-explanatory. Undo means undo the most recent appended operation. That means remove the last operation, last appended character. That too makes sense. Redo. Reapply the most recent undone operation. That means restore the last changed character removed by undo. Read is the simple thing. Read means return the current content of the document as a string. Also, there will be sequence of characters and query. Okay, we are not calling the function, so we don't need to care about this one. All we need to care about is filling up or populating these most functions, these four functions. So we are provided with some examples. Now we have a array of certain operations. We have said that, hey, first like we have one means we have to append a, then we have to append b, so our character would be ab. Now I wanted to append c, so it goes abc in this fashion. Now operation 2 means undo, so you have appended c, you have to undo this one and you have to maintain a and b only, so that's why ab. And then you have 4 means you have to read it, I guess. Yeah, read it, and the content ab would be printed. Again 3, what does 3 mean? Redo. Okay, then you print it again. So a simple thing. It's self-explanatory, by the way. The more interesting thing lies into how you are going to do this. I want you to wait for a while. Think that if you are using this application, what do you want? How fast you want this? How efficiently you want this? Again, if you wanted to do this operation, undo and redo operations should be quick. You should not wait till the entire character, and you need to understand. And that's the reason they have mentioned that time complexity should be O of 1 and auxiliary space complexity should be O of n. It doesn't matter that how much space you can store, but just make sure that if I press Ctrl Z, it should be an instant job. With that thing in mind, let's understand how we can do this. We are not going to implement right now, but we are going to understand how the process can look like. Now I have mainly 2 operations, undo and redo, but let's focus upon undo first. What does undo mean? I have few characters appending like a, then I'm appending b, then appending c. Now if I have an undo operation, undo, that means a and b would only the thing. I would remove c, then I apply undo again, then a only, that means remove b. And if I do undo again, then it would just remove a. Okay, and if I add any character again, then that would be here. If I would go ahead and add a, then it would be aa, and then if I do undo, then it would remove the first a. If I do z, it would be something like this. In short, you are noticing a pattern over here, and the pattern is nonetheless, it's what is added last, undo would remove the last. That means last come, first go, or I would say last in, first out. So last in first out, that is what stack do. So we are sure that we wanted to use stack for undo. Similarly, but in the reverse operation, redo works. Redo wants you to take the elements which you have undone. So it too also need a stack, but in a different fashion. It removes this, it adds this, or vice versa. Now you have append. Append, how you can go ahead and do the append. It's pretty simple. You can create a string builder or a character array, whatever you want, or a list in general, and then you can go ahead and say that, hey, this is the thing, and I wanted to I wanted to maintain this character array or string builder, and ultimately whenever whosoever wants to read this one, I would just do string builder dot toString. Probably the easiest thing of all. So I'll quickly have a string builder over here. SB is equal to new string builder. I'm doing this because it's too easy, and that's the reason. SB dot append ch, I would say, or either. Let's keep it simple. You can go ahead and have a you can go ahead and have a character array as well, or array list as well to have, but I'd use to string return. Now comes the crux part, how to do undo and redo. Already we have seen that, hey, we can go ahead and use stack. So let's use stack of character ch. Okay, it's a stack for undo. I'll say new stack, and same would occur for redo as well. Okay, now if I wanted to undo something, I would remove that top operation. So in my stack, undo stack, it would look something like A, B, C, and then if Z comes Z. So now if ABC is in picture and I wanted to do an undo operation here, I would just remove C and then remove that C from string builder. Cool. I can undo that one. Let's do this then. But I wanted to populate the undo stack first, right? So what I'll do is undo dot push ch, and here for undo, what I'll say is undo dot pop ch, and I wanted to remove the last character from this. So one thing is I can do that append, not append, the remove one, or remove last one of ch. I hope that there is a function, else we have to set the length. Okay, cool. But what if someone wants to redo this again? So there comes a scenario. I'll take it downside here. So there comes a scenario where someone says now, hey, don't do that, redo it. Then I wanted to go ahead and append C back again. In that case, what should be done? In that case, I not only wanted to remove the C, but I should also maintain what all things I have undone and what better place we can have than the redo stack. So I have undone a change which is pop, and I'll take a character ch to this, and I will push it onto redo.push ch. Interesting choice. Now whatever things I have undone, so my ABC string undo, this is a stack, and redo, this is a stack as well. If I'm undoing this, my C would get removed and C would come over here. Sorry, as I'm adding few characters A, B, C, my undo stack is populating A, B and C. If I'm removing in character C, that character gets removed from the string builder as well, and that characters would add to redo stack. And if someone tomorrow says that, hey, I wanted to redo this one, hey, I'll just pop it out and put it into undo stack and put it into string builder. That's what I'm doing here. Pop it from the undo redo stack, character ch is equal to redo dot pop, and this thing I wanted to append. What better thing I have from append is I'll just use append ch. That's it. I already have a function to do this. I'll exploit that. In that way, I have taken care of redo. Undo is done there. Like, we remove the last character. I hope this function exists, by the way. Let's compile this and see. Okay. sb.append ch, there cannot be find a symbol. Okay, character ch. Okay, they cannot find symbol push. Okay, they cannot find symbol ch, which is a good one because ch is okay. Remove last doesn't exist, my bad. So set length sb.length -1. So yeah, the sample test case has passed. Let's check for the rest of the test case, or let's check one of the test case where we have few elements right away. Okay, let's submit this one, by the way. I wanted to check first few of the test cases where we don't only have remove one operations, but simultaneously we redo something. Okay, it has passed all the test cases, by the way. Good for that. So I was saying we redo something, undo something C, and we added some characters, let's say Z, and Z is added here. What if I redo now? Would redo take this character C and append this one, or what? That's a question, right? The redo, what should it do? That's a good question. So I want you guys to think what redo should do and what redo does with our code sample. That's an interesting point. Share your thoughts into the comment section. I read all the comments, by the way, and thanks for watching. For more such awesome content related to design, DSA, stack, queues, click the video on your right, and I'll see you in the next one.